Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley and I have a special system and a special guest to talk about said system. Please welcome
Hey everybody,
Mr. Joseph Mundy.
Remember me?
Oh,
I don't think they do, but it's okay.
Well, we haven't been on camera in a long time.
It's okay.
It's crazy.
It's break the ice a little bit of an icebreaker.
So the reason I wanted Joe on this edition of AVARigs is because this particular system is a configuration that Joseph built from the ground up. So, without further ado, we're going to talk about this. More or less, he will talk about this.
So this system was designed in conjunction with some guys you might know in the video industry known as GreyscaleGorilla. They came to me last year, well, late last year, to actually upgrade their own systems because they were originally Mac-based PC users. So they were taking their deep dive into the dark side of PC usage under Windows. So the whole system is designed to compete directly with Mac workstations. Rather than paying like a $10,000 premium for a system, you can get an identical system for thousands less. I mean, thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars less.
Insane.
So these systems come standard by default on our GreyscaleGorilla front page with a 32-core Threadripper processor, 64 gigs of memory, usually 2 SSDs, so you have your operating system SSD and your scratch disk storage. RTX 2080s or RTX 2080 Ti's, double or single, depending on your budget, and a 1300 watt power supply to make sure that you'll be able to expand those graphics cards in the future if you so desire.
Absolutely.
So they're no joke. These are absolutely designed to be able to handle applications like Octane, Redshift, Cinema 4D. Granted, Cinema 4D gets better usage out of an Intel CPU, but this end user in particular is going to be doing more Octane and Redshift usage, where multi-core usage is going to be the primary focus. So what you see is what you get.
Now, real quick, how popular would you say these are when they come to our workstation builds across the board?
Ever since we premiered the GreyscaleGorilla workstations on our front page, this is primarily what we sell now. So I'd say probably 8 in every 10 workstations we sell have a GreyscaleGorilla name or an association with it. Not that I'm saying that GreyscaleGorilla themselves purchases these, but they are open and transparent about the fact that they purchase these workstations from us, certified by us in a matter of speaking. So like 80% of the people I speak with now, they either drop GreyscaleGorilla that they found out about us from them, or they're building a workstation inspired by their workstations.
If a system like this interests you, you can always hop over to AVADirect.com and look for the GreyscaleGorilla page, or you can talk to this fine gentleman right here.
The link is actually AVADirect.com/GreyscaleGorilla Systems. It's all one word, no hyphens, no spaces, no dots, no numeric values. Just GreyscaleGorilla Systems.
You learn a new URL every day. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us for this week's AVARigs. I said we wanted to talk about a workstation build, and here you go. And it came straight from the man who built it. So,
you might want to leave before I do things, some unspeakable acts.
Oh God, I gotta go. See you next time.
Thanks for joining, guys. But now it's time for you to go.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.